Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at orthogonal trajectories. So the initial problem states that y squared is equal to cx cubed, and we need to find that orthogonal trajectories from this curve. So the way we do it is as follows. We do implicit differentiation with respect to x. So for this one, we're gonna do, we take the derivative with implicit differentiation with respect to x. We're gonna get 2y dy dx equal to 3cx squared. As a side note, we're gonna solve for c on this equation. So c is equal to y squared and over x cubed. We need this one. Okay. Alright, so now we solve for dy dx. Dy dx equal to 3 over 2 times c x squared over y. Remember, from algebra we know that the derivative, the slope of an orthogonal would be negative, or the orthogonal of the orthogonal would be, of the slope would be dy dx. It would be the negative reciprocal, so that's equal to negative 2/3 times 1 over c and then y over x squared. I just do the negative reciprocal. Now we plug in c, which I found there. So dy dx is equal to negative 2/3, and then that would be times x cubed over y squared times y over x squared. That's after plugging in c. Now from here we cancel this one and this one, this one and this one, and we're gonna get dy dx equal to negative 2/3 x over y. Now we isolate dy on one side and dx on the other. So that would be, we'll be in 3y to the other side. That would be 3y dy equal to negative 2x dx. Now we have, on the left side we have y, on the right side we have x. Now we integrate both sides with respect to each variable, and get as follows. So 3y dy equal to negative 2x dx. Okay, now we integrate. So it will be 3 over 2 y squared equal to negative 2 over 2 x squared plus, we already use c, so we're gonna use cg, that stands for c general, because we're gonna find the general orthogonal trajectories. So now let's get rid of these two. Okay, the way we do it is we multiply everything by 2, and then that will be 3y squared equal to negative 2x squared. It will be 2cg, but remember, we just keep a constant, so we still call it cg. Now we bring these to the other side. That would be 3y squared plus 2x squared equals cg. And this will be our final answer. And these you can identify as ellipses. So basically the orthogonal trajectories for this curve are ellipses, and these are the formula, the equation for those ellipses. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please.